Breakfast at your home probably doesn't look like a buffet on a cruise ship. You are in a race with the clock, and it's difficult to eat healthy. The secret I am talking about today is a protein-packed breakfast. Protein is a powerhouse nutrient that can help control your appetite, boost your metabolism, and promote fat loss. It's also inexpensive. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but did you know it can be a game changer for weight loss? Eating a nutritious breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and helps regulate your hunger throughout the day. But it's not just about any breakfast, it's about the secret ingredient I am about to reveal. In today's video, I am going to delve into protein to discover its health benefits. Let's explore some delicious options that will leave you feeling satisfied and ready to conquer the day. 1. Greek yogurt parfait. Our first breakfast idea is a Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Combine it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a tasty and fulfilling morning treat. 2. Egg-cellent Choices. Eggs are a breakfast classic, and for a good reason. They're packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Whether you prefer them boiled, poached, or in a veggie omelet, incorporating eggs into your breakfast can set the stage for a successful weight loss journey. 3. Smoothie Sensation. A protein-packed smoothie can be a quick and delicious breakfast option. Blend some spinach, banana, protein powder, and a dash of almond milk for a nutrient-dense morning boost. This smoothie not only fuels your body but also keeps you feeling full for longer. 4. Overnight oats magic. Overnight oats are another fantastic option. Combine rolled oats with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. Let them soak overnight, and you'll wake up to a convenient, tasty, and protein-rich breakfast that supports your weight loss goals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to my channel.